It's my ticket. Pass this ball now. Pass this ball. Eh? Oh, see this move. See this move. Oh! Pass this ball now. Ah! See my ticket. How do you remain? Hey, bro. Can't you see that I'm busy?
I won't talk to you.
See. No, now, please. Oh yeah. 1, 2. Ha! Is something wrong with you? Why you go off the lights?
I did not touch you, but they took the lights.
Child! Well, neighbor will have lights now.
Bro, I've been telling you that our bill is about to exhaust this. You're not saying it.
I don't have no money now. But thank it's our solar charge.
Something like that.
I'm going to stay at solar. This one we can't watch telly. You know, this one is just to see road. And I don't even have any plans for money now. No money, nothing. Nothing. So what do you want to see me for? Are you there or you are dumb? Can't you talk? No. I mean. What is it, can't you talk?
My friend is coming tomorrow.
So as that's my business. Your friend is coming. Which of your friend?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend to my house. My house not on hotel, abi?
No, bro. He wants to come and see you. He said he wants to marry me.
Jesus!
What's going on?
You. Ma.
What's going on?
Okay, Oyiko, calm down. Okay. He wants to marry you. What does he do for a living?
He's a pilot.
A mumu man.
Eh?
He's a pilot.
Pilot. How does he work?
He works and lives in Lagos.
Wow.
A mumu man.
Pilot. He works and lives in Lagos. It must be Munitala Muhammad Airport. I'm so proud of you. I know this is sharpness and everything. You not let me down.
Thank you. He's actually a very generous guy.
He's even generous. How long have you guys known each other?
Just last week.
Last week. Then how did you know he's generous?
He's not like, he's his friend that told him that he's generous.
His friend. So where did you meet his friend to tell you that he's generous?
Not like I met with his friend, so. Well, my boyfriend told me that his friend used to tell him that he's generous.
Jesus! Wow. But no problem, she's a pilot. For seriously, I've been longing to meet a pilot. It's about the air is and everything. But I get pilots who have money. It's general. So when is it coming?
Tomorrow afternoon.
No need, take. I still have little 5,000, 5,000 naira in there. So we do it so easy and prepare kind sweet meal. Let's make our pilot in-law. Pilot visitor.
Thank you. I love you.
You have to love the pilots more now, not me. Pilots.
You think they're wise?
Thank God, our sharpness has made me believe that she's sharp. She's really a pilot from our bride price.
Jesus!
Pilots.
You think they're wise?
We're going to Chelsea. Back to Chelsea. No light. When your pilot is coming. Pear.
Bro,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You can go now. Our visitor is there waiting.
Don't I just want to take it to him, right?
Sorry, Stephen, use this one. Drop this thing. Use this cup for him.
But bro, this is your most cherished glass cup.
I know. Most cherished cup. We have a cherished visitor.
Bro, you don't share this thing with even me. Are you sure about this?
See, I don't mind him using this.
Okay.
Don't you know that was why I gave you all the money I have yesterday now, so that you can prepare this wonderful meal for him. Pilot in-law.
Bro, it's not your in-law yet though. Calm down.
Don't just go and keep going.
Say they wise.
Yeah.
Mumu man.
Pilot in-law. Pilot in-law.
Hey, babe.
Oh. This is for me, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah.
In-law.
Don't worry.
Hey, please just manage this one. You know it's emergency visit, so we just have to give you this one.
It's alright. Thank you. Oh. That's good.
My sister told me you're a pilot.
Now the work my carry me call I don't do pilot work now for like 10 to 15 years.
Wow, I really admire the work of the pilots, but I have never had the chance to meet anyone.
You want be pilot?
Yes, now if I have the opportunity.
You dey joke. You want be pilot?
Yes, now.
I go do am for you.
Are you serious?
You be mumu.
But that's serious. One way, as you dey kind to me so, I go dey kind to you too. So as I dey talk to you, I get 3 bike. I dey drive one, I give 2 comot for my friends. But Kamaru, when they drive the 3rd one, he dey misbehave.
You be
So
mumu.
I go carry that bike, I go carry am give you, straight down.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you not a real pilot? As in real pilot?
Which one be real pilot
As in,
again?
you just ask if, because you're saying things I don't understand. As in, are you a real pilot?
Na bike I dey talk. I get 3 bike. Jesus! If you go Ikeja, all the way from Ikeja along to police college, down to GRA, they know me. Even as I dey talk to you so, I no dey pay Abiru shishi. Bike one I dey drive for 10 to 15 years.
That means you are an Okada man.
You fit call am Okada, but Okada na the old name. Now wetin dey call am na pilot. Then people wey dey do fole, dem still fit call am pilot.
You be mumu.
You are mad. You are mad. Listen, you are mad upstairs. Pilot or anything you call yourself. Bear, see your life. All the money I've spent in your academics, in everything. So now you want to end your life with a bike man, Okada man, or pilot, or whatever he call himself.
Bro, but I love him now.
You love him. You say what?
I said I love him.
I will scatter down your mouth with love. Young man, forget the English one is fixing so. See, leave my house now before I lose my temper. Are you okay? Are you okay? In short, leave my house. Leave my house now!
Pilot is not a crime, bro. It's a job. It's an occupation.
You are still talking, Abi. Before I count 5, leave this house. You know what I'll do to you now? I will promise you to close my eyes. As I'm counting to 5, you leave this house.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4. What are you? Tell what's wrong with you?
Bro, I love him. Leave me alone. Leave me to my life, bro.
I should leave. I don't know. You leave my house now.
He's not going to.
Leave my house. I said you leave my house. See, I'm still coming down, yo.
Your brother punched me. You tell her. You don't tell her.
Tell me what? Come on, leave my house,
Tell
door.
her. Bro, it doesn't feel pain. Your brother can fuck up.
So
You punch me. Ah, bro. You don't fuck up.
Anytime he feels pain, he needs to kill you.
You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up.
Hello guys, thanks for watching this video, and always please, I'm begging you, we don't have another work.
we not get.
Except you invite us to come for birthday or wedding ceremonies. Burial. No. You will not die. You will not die. You can never die, and nobody will die in your family.
Amen.
So please subscribe to OyikoTv.
Please subscribe.
Please.
OyikoTv.
It's free.
Free of charge.
They will not charge you. Just that they will give you notification say we don't post new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. And please on your post notification. So whenever OyikoTv posts new video,
You see.
you'll see it. Thank you.
Thank you.